how to activate a new PNC credit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate a new PNC credit card. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the PNC Mobile App on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen, and from there you simply have to select cards. And there you just have to choose activate this card and then tap begin activation. And after that, you just have to provide any requested details like the 16-digit card number, billing zip code, or last 4-digit social security number or phone number to verify your identity. And after completing these steps, your card will be activated immediately and will be ready for you to use it. And that's it. That's how you can activate a new PNC credit card. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.